Welcome. If you're managing a Telegram group on your PC and want to prevent members from creating new topics, you're in the right place. With Telegram's latest updates, group admins have more control than ever, allowing you to fine-tune who can organize conversations with topics. Let's walk through the simple steps to disable the Create Topics permission and keep your group discussions focused. Start by opening the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has admin rights in the group you want to manage. Once you're in, find your group in the chat list and click to open it. At the top right corner of your group window, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Manage Group. This will take you to your group's settings, where you can control everything from group info to permissions. Next, look for the Permissions section in the sidebar or Settings menu. Click on it, and you'll see a list of actions that members are allowed to perform in your group. Here, you'll find the option labeled Create Topics. By default, this might be enabled, allowing all members to start new topic threads within your group. To prevent members from creating new topics, simply disable this option. You might see a toggle switch or a checkbox. Just make sure it's turned off. After making this change, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the screen to apply your new settings. From now on, only admins or users with special permissions will be able to create new topics in your group. This is a great way to keep your group organized, reduce clutter, and ensure that discussions stay on track. Thanks for following along. With just a few clicks, you've taken control of your Telegram group's conversation flow. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group admins who want to keep their communities organized and focused.